Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing one live photo in your Photos app for the lock screen. Confirm the image is saved as a live photo and not a still image. If needed, enable iCloud Photos to sync the live photo across devices. Alternatively, transfer the live photo using AirDrop or a wired connection. Make sure the live photo is no larger than typical camera sizes and plays correctly when you press and hold it. This preparation avoids failures when setting the lock screen wallpaper later. Open Settings and tap Wallpaper, or press and hold the current lock screen on iOS 16. Tap Customize, then tap Add New to select photo and choose the live photo. Ensure the live photo animation icon is visible and enabled on the preview screen. Tap Set and choose Set as Lock Screen only to apply the live photo effect correctly. Exit to the lock screen and press and hold the display to confirm the live photo animates when touched. If the live photo does not animate, check that live photo playback remains enabled in Photos. Avoid edits that convert the file into a still image before setting it as wallpaper. Remember that live photo animation only applies to the lock screen, not to the home screen. Restart the device or resave the live photo from the original source if problems persist. Finally, test by pressing and holding the lock screen to verify the animation plays as expected every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.